Hello guys, today I'm gonna visit my cats. Don't come out! Reva, don't come out! Reva, wait muna Reva. Reva, no coming out. Wow, I miss my cats. Here's Bemba. Look at my Bemba. Look at Reva. You'll be able to hear her purring. Then we got Amber. Amber is purring also. But I have to prioritize my Bemba. Bemba can open doors now. This is Chubbs. Here's Bluey. Their older sister Pip is outside. Oh no! Bemba! Be careful. Here is... Which one is Flea? Here is my Bemba again. She really goes up when I pet her. Hey Amber. How are you, Amber? Still running? Still purring today, Amber? Oh! Hey, Sunny! Hi, Sunny! Hey, Sunny, how are you doing? Oh! You may be asking why Dash isn't here. Dash died. Here is my Jade Sarwana, Wani. Hey, Amber. This is my loyal Bemba and Amber. Hey guys, this is Amber and Bemba. Remember that, guys. Don't argue, guys. Careful. Yeah. Gotta get out of here. Safe to pet Pip.